So it is 24th of January 2026. The time is 15:54 hours. Okay, and I just came, as you can check, Indian rupee 1 United Dirham equals to 24.96, which means that we'll be getting more money when we are transferring from UAE to India. But I don't think that this is good. As you can check, it says that Indian rupee hits the new low compared to AED. As per Wise website, 1 United Arab Emirates Dirham was 2.16 and today it is 24.96. What does tap say? Just let's check once. So tap is showing, 1 second. Once we log in, it shows 24.85. 24.85, 1 AED equals to 24.85. But then the current value is 24.96. 1 AED equals to 24.96. What do you think about this, friends? Do comment. Is this good that 1 AED equals to 24.96? I don't think so. But it is just increasing day by day, you see. 24.5 and today is 24.96. And as per Aspora, the price is like 1 AED equals to 24.77. So the new rate is 24.96. To hit the like button, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.